Hello, my name is Ben Marchi-Young, and I'm the Senior Product Owner at Velocio, specifically for our SilverLeaf Horticulture product. Today I'm going to show you how our value-added items functionality works. We have designed value-added items to be flexible for many business use cases, while ensuring users never miss specific required inventory, such as tags, product labels, specific pots, decorative stakes, and much more. Managing value-added items and ensuring they are picked with orders can be very tedious and laborious, especially during spring. SilverLeaf now allows for automated inputs of value-added items based on the products they are associated with. This way, when orders are ready to be picked, the value-added items will be listed along with your sellable products. First, we need to take a look at our items. We need to indicate our sellable items as well as our value-added items. I'm going to simply click our search to go to our items. From here, I've already preset some items that we're going to be taking a look at today. We'll take a look at some of this zebra grass. Within our horticulture subform here, we notice we have a value-added items section. Here, we indicate whether this item is a sellable item or a value-added item. We can also indicate if it's a value-added item type, but again, that's going to be at the value-added level. Here, we can indicate specific value-added items associated with this item. This is at an individual item by item level. We can do this at a mass scale in a little bit. I'm going to simply close out of this screen, and we're going to go take a look at one of our value-added items, which is this care tag. Here, again, we go to our horticulture subform. We take a look at our value-added items section. We indicate that this is a value-added item. And from here, we can indicate the value-added item type. This doesn't have any bearing on how this item is going to be used. It is for reporting purposes. We can also at this point indicate if this value-added item is going to carry the same product posting group as its saleable item. So if you want to track different posting groups for your value-added than your sellable items, this would remain untoggled. If you want to track them as a part of the same inventory posting group, we can toggle this on. So from here, what I'm going to be able to do is navigate to our value-added item types. Here is where I could, in theory, set up all of the different types that I want to report on for our value-added items. Here I've set up fuel surcharges, label charges, upgrades. We then want to make sure that we set up our value-added item groups. The value-added item groups allow us to designate specific value-added items for specific groups of customers, and not only just the items, but the quantities as well. So today I'm just going to go into our Lowe's group. And what we can see here is I've already established some value-added items, or these are our sellable items, and then below is our value-added. So if we go to our little zebra grass here, you can see that I've already input a care tag and a UPC printing charge. We then have the options for a calculation formula. So if you want a calculation formula of quantity per, what that will do is if I ordered one little zebra grass, I'll get one care tag. If I order 10, I'll get 10 care tags. With our other option of fixed quantity, we set a predetermined fixed quantity no matter how many of these little zebra grasses that I order. So I'm saying if I order 10 little zebra grasses, I only want one UPC printing charge. So we can set that up individually here. We can also do this on a larger scale. We can copy other groups. So if we've already created, let's say, a Lowe's Northeast group and we want to create our Lowe's Southwest group, we can just copy from a previous group and make our changes as needed. We can do all of our editing and updating here in Excel. This actually opens into a different screen here before we get into Excel. So if you wanted to edit in the system, you can do that as well. So let's go see this in action. I'm going to navigate to a sales order. And I'm going to create a new sales order for Lowe's. And as we saw earlier, we know that we've set this value-added item combination up for lows already. So now what we want to see is when I put on products, this order, let's say I want 10 these hydrangeas, automatically our value-added items will populate onto this order. Let's add one of our other grasses. Let's make that 15. And what's great about this is now that I've created this order, when our crew goes out to pick it, we can create pick instructions and work orders specifically for the sellable items as well as the value-added items. And we can always ensure that we're never missing a beat and always ensuring that our customers are fully satisfied. Thank you so much for listening and watching this video. Have a wonderful day.